Is it true?
Hello, my fellow grocery addict. Today we are going to see, is Aldi really the least expensive option? I've always thought that it is, but with prices rising, I'm doing a little investigating. I'm going to multiple stores all in the same area, same day, and I'm going to check the price of bread, chicken, cheese, eggs, and milk. Staples in most homes, and we're going to see how the price compares from store to store, see where you could get all 5 of those items the cheapest, and we're going to take it from there. Sale prices do count because sales are a part of everyday shopping, so I'm going to take the cheapest I can find of anything. We're going to go between Kalamazoo and Portage. I'm trying to stay as best as I can in the same area, and we're going to shop price to price for those 5 items. Who's going to win? And I'm doing all of this on a rainy day. Like, how is my luck so good? Bought bananas, $1.45. I got cheese here. Okay, so the results are in. What are we gonna see? Trader Joe's came in at the most expensive, and we're gonna go through highest to lowest. You're gonna see the totals here. One caveat that I do wanna mention is I recognize that if you're extreme budget shopping, Sam's Club and Costco, you're not gonna be able to buy 2.5 pounds of cheddar cheese or 2 dozen eggs at the same time to get the price per price that I listed. It was simply done just so it was apples to apples comparison. They didn't even turn out to be the lowest anyways, but I did want to acknowledge. So my beloved Aldi is not the winner. They were 102% of the price of Walmart, so very, very close. And I didn't actually know which one would come out ahead on Aldi versus Walmart because I do Walmart pickup as my second option to Aldi. They offer things like fresh herbs or different spices, different things that I can't always find at Aldi. I get at Walmart. And because of that, I'm very familiar that they are price competitive with Aldi. However, Aldi is a better shopping experience. I love their seasonal, their Aldi finds, their specialty items, and I like that it's a much smaller store. You don't have as much variety, which is why I have to do Walmart pickup at times. However, I really like the shopping experience at Aldi. It was a really interesting experience, and even though we are seeing price hikes all over, it's not just Aldi, it's all places. So Aldi still is a very good value. Walmart did come in at number 1. I do think that potentially if I expanded my options or my comparison to maybe 10 items and I did things like gravy packet or soup mix or added some of the more processed grocery items, that we would have probably seen Aldi come out ahead, because when I do have to buy those items at Walmart, I do think Walmart ends up being more expensive overall. However, it wasn't part of this experiment. So Aldi is second to Walmart. Not today. Boo. But information is good to have. I will still pay 102% of Aldi instead of going to Walmart regularly. You know I love my Aldi. So it was a really fun experiment. Let me know what you guys thought of this. I will mention that I am in Southwest Michigan. I know that some of these stores are probably regional, and we don't have stores that other regions of the country have. For instance, I've been told over and over again how wonderful H-E-B in Texas is. I've never been there. I can't price compare. However, things like Meijer is a Midwestern store. I know they've expanded quite a bit, but they're not all over. They're not probably on the East Coast or the West Coast. So this is the best I could give you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see what a normal Aldi grocery haul looks like, I do them weekly. You can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.